Welcome to HomePan TriPro. If you are someone who loves rice but is constantly worried about your carbohydrate intake or trying to maintain a strict keto lifestyle, then you have likely struggled to find a kitchen appliance that actually fits your needs. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the BANU Small Mini Rice Cooker. This is not just your average appliance. It is specifically engineered to reduce sugar content while still delivering the fluffy texture we all expect from a good bowl of rice. Let us start with the design. It is sleek, compact, and comes in a sophisticated black finish that looks great on any countertop. Because of its size, it is perfect for solo users, students, or small apartments where counter space is at a premium. The capacity is interesting, as it offers up to 3 cups of white rice, but when you switch over to the low-carb function, it handles about 1 cup of rice. This is clearly designed for portion control and healthy living. The standout feature here is the band heating system. Many budget cookers rely on a single heating element at the bottom, which often leads to uneven cooking or burnt patches. By using a band heating system, this unit ensures a consistent distribution of heat throughout the pot. During my testing, I found that this technology really does contribute to a better taste and a more uniform texture. It prevents the rice from becoming mushy or undercooked in parts, which is a common complaint with smaller machines. Beyond just making rice, this is actually quite a versatile tool. It includes presets for white rice, brown rice, soup, and even cake. The fact that it has a 24-hour keep warm function is a massive plus for anyone with a busy schedule. You can set it in the morning and have warm, ready-to-eat food when you get home after a long day. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the low-carb functionality is a game-changer. It effectively extracts excess starch during the cooking process, which is a huge benefit for keto dieters. It is incredibly easy to clean, and the interface is intuitive enough that you will not need to spend an hour reading the manual. On the flip side, the capacity is definitely limited. If you are cooking for a family of 4 or more, this is likely not going to be enough to feed everyone at once. You really have to view this as a personal health appliance rather than a family-sized cooker. In conclusion, the BANU Mini Low-Carb Rice Cooker is a specialized piece of equipment that excels at what it sets out to do. If your goal is to reduce your sugar intake without sacrificing the comfort of a warm meal, this is a fantastic investment. It is stylish, efficient, and reliable. It turns a standard kitchen chore into a health-conscious activity. If you want to check the current pricing or grab one for yourself, everything you need is right here. Link in the description.